Sixth question. By selling a speaker for rupees 768 rupees, a man loses 20 percentage. In order to gain 20 percentage, how much should he sell the speaker? SP of the speaker, selling price of speaker equal to rupees 768. First step. Loss percentage is loss equal to 20 percentage. Formula SP equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Must study the formula. SP value equal to 768 is equal to CP into 100 minus 20 percentage loss, 20 by 100. 100 minus 20 equal to 80 percentage. 80 by 100. Now CP is next into symbol. Into change into the division. 80 by 100 I am writing here 100 by 8. So 768 into 100 divided by 80 is equal to CP. Cancel the numbers. 0, 0 cancel first. 180 is 8. 96 8s are 768. So 96 into 10. 96 into 10 equal to 960 rupees. Now CP equal to 960 rupees. For gain, the second step for the given in gain of 20 percentage. Now calculate the selling price. Now CP value is found there. Find the selling price. SP equal to CP plus gain formula equal to loss formula 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Gain formula 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. CP value equal to 960 rupees into start the bracket 100 plus 20 divided by 100. 100 plus 20 equal to 120. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 96 into 12 equal to 1152 rupees. Now SP equal to rupees 1152 rupees. Next, seventh question. They are given in the three sums. Find the unknowns x, y, z value. First question for find the x value. Second question find the y value. Third question find the z value. These three sums for also using formula selling price equal to market price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. They are given in the market price, selling price, discount. So use the formula selling price equal to market price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. This one formula use and do in the three sums. First sum, market price they are given in 225 rupees. 225. Selling price value equal to x. Selling price value equal to x. Discount equal to 8 percentage. Formula, write it the formula. Selling price equal to market price value equal to 225 into start the bracket 100 minus 8 percentage discount. 100 minus 8 divided by 100. 100 minus 8 equal to 92 divided by 100. Cancellation and get it the answer equal to 207 rupees. Cancellation one time see that 225 into 92 divided by 100. Use in the fifth table. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 2s are 10, 0. Again use in the fifth table. 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, 3 4s are 12. So 9 into 23 equal to 207 rupees. Selling price equal to rupees 207 rupees. Rupees symbol must important. Second question for LED TV. Market price is Y. Selling price equal to 11,970 rupees. Discount equal to 5 percentage. Same formula and do the sum. LED TV selling price 11,000 970 rupees. Market price Y. Discount is 5%. Now selling price state that value substitute equal to market price value equal to Y. 100 minus discount value equal to 5 divided by 100. This percentage meaning is by 100 already they are given in the formula. So again one time no need to write. 11,970 is equal to Y into 100 minus 5 equal to 95 divided by 100. Now 100 do in the cross multiplication, this 95 divided by right. So 11,970 into 100 divided by 95 is equal to Y. Cancel the number. Fifth tip, 5 2s are 10, 0. 1 5 is 5, remaining 4, 9 5s are 45. Next 119 is 19, 639s are 11,970. These two number multiple and write. 630 into 20 equal to 12,600. Division don't know means I do the division here and practice the work. Next, third question. Market price equal to 750. Selling price equal to 615 rupees. Discount equal to don't know that given in Z. Okay, now next find the same formula. Selling price equal to market price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Selling price that given in 615 is equal to market price 750 into straight into 100 minus discount value equal to Z divided by 100. Now 615 that by 100 you write it there, 750 write in down. So 615 into 100 divided by 70 is equal to bracket work here. What is the work? 100 minus Z. Now divide and get the answer equal to 41 into 2. 41 into 2 equal to 82. 100 minus Z. Z equal to 100 minus 82. This Z the right means plus Z plus 82 the right in minus 82. Z equal to 18. Therefore discount is equal to 18%. Eighth question. Find the total bill amount for the data given below. Name of the item: school bag, hair dryer. School bag market price 500, discount 5%, GST 12%. Hair dryer market price 2000, discount 10%, GST is 28%. 28%. Step 1, school bag. School bag discount price equal to market price into 100 minus discount divided by 100 is the formula. Market price value equal to 500 into 100 minus discount equal to 5%. So 5 divided by 100. 100 minus 5 is 95 divided by 100. 0 0 0 0 strike out. 5 into 95 is equal to 475 rupees. Now discount price equal to 475 rupees. 500 school bag rate they are given in 475. Now given in the GST also. GST is how much they are given? 12%. School bags GST equal to bill amount formula, discount price into 100 plus GST percentage divided by 100 is the formula. So here find out the value, here substitute that value enough. Discounted price is 475 into 100 plus GST value equal to 12% for by 100. So substitute this value and get it the answer. 745 into 100 plus 12 into 100. 100 plus 12 equal to 112 divided by 100. Now easy method. 112 divided by 100 for how time do that? 20 is there have. So 1 2 count and point after 2 number is must there. So 1.12 is the answer. This number for 1.12. These two number multiply and get the answer equal to rupees 532 rupees. So now the School market price is 500, discount is 5% is discount. They are given in the GST for how much rupees paid and get it the school bag? 532 rupees must they paid. Next step to hair dryer. The same formula only. First sum for what is the formula and all writing the same formula and do and find the answer. Hair dryer. Discount price equal to MP into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Market price of the hair dryer is 2000 into 100 minus discount percentage is 10 divided by 100. 2000 into 100 minus 10 equal to 90 by 100. Cancel the number. 20 into 90. 2 9s are 18. 2 0. So rupees 1800. This is the discount price of the hair dryer. Next, this one for find in the GST. Hair dryer for the given the GST is 28%. So bill amount formula, discounted price into 100 plus GST percentage divided by 100. Now find it the answer. Discount price is 1800 into 100 plus 28 divided by 100. 100 plus 28 equal to 128 divided by 100. Easy method there. 100 and 1800, 128 divided by 100 equal to 2 also cancel that one. 18 into 128 multiply and get the answer equal to 2304 rupees. Now total bill amount equal to school bag amount is 532 and hair dryer amount equal to 2304. 2 also add and get the answer is 2836 rupees. Total bill amount equal to rupees 2836. 9th question. A branded air conditioner AC is there given in the picture has a market price is AC market price is 38,000. There are two options given. First options for selling price is the same 38,000 but with attractive gifts worth 3,000. The AC amount is 38,000 only. They are given in the gift also. The gift worth is how much rupees there? 3,000 rupees. Or second option, discounted is 8%. There any discount and all they are not. Only gift worth equal to 3,000 only. Second option is they are given in discount of 80% on the market price but no free gifts. Which offer is best? Given the two option for which option is very better option, you find that answer. Option 1, market price of the AC is what is that given? 38,000. Here write it in 38,000. Gift worth equal to they are given in 3,000. Now selling price for 38,000, gift worth is 3,000. So what is the benefit for the customer? 3,000 is benefit. Here plus no need, here write it there. Selling price is 38,000. Gift worth equal to what is the worth? 3,000 worth there. So what is the benefit of the customer? Gain of the customer is this gift only worth 3,000 rupees is worth there. Second option is what is that given? MP value equal to 38,000. Discount is that given in 8%. Discount value equal to MP into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. 38,000 into 100 minus 8 divided by 100. 92 by 100, 0 strike out there. Multiply and get the answer equal to 34,960 rupees. So saving for the customer equal to the AC amount equal to how much there? 38,000. Now that discount offer get it the AC value equal to 34,960. Now saving for the customer equal to 3,040 rupees is saved. First option for gift voucher is 3,000 rupees. Now 8% discount for how much benefit the customer? 3,040 rupees is extra 40 rupees is extra benefit. So which one option is very best option? First one or second one? Second option is very better. So option 1 equal to 3000 only customer for benefit. Option 2 for 3040 rupees. Therefore option 2 is better. 10th question. If a mattress is marked for 7500 and is available at two successive discount of 10% and 20%, find the amount to the paid by the customer. Two option, two discount is there given, 10% and 20%. First you find in that 10% offer. D1 is the D1 I am writing, this is the first option. First discount, this is the second discount. Discount D1 equal to, so understanding for D1, first discount for MP into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. 7500 into 100 minus 10%. This option only you take first. 10 by 100. 100 minus 10 equal to 90 by 100. 20 cancel there. So 75 into 90 equal to 6750. Now this marked price to find in the 20% of. Second discount T2 equal to, formula you write, MP into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. MP value equal to, now found the value, 6750 into 100 minus, second discount is 20. 100 minus 20 equal to 80%. 80 divided by 100. So 6750 into 80 by 100. 1 0 1 0 cancel, second 0 you cancel, multiple the remaining number, get it the answer equal to rupees 5400. Objective type questions. 11th, a fruits vendor sells fruits for 200 rupees, gaining 40 rupees. His gain percentage is dash, 20%, 22%, 25%, 16 by 3%. Now what is the cost price? Selling price is that given, cost price find that. Cost price equal to 200 minus 40. 200 minus 40 equal to 160 rupees. This is the cost price of the fruit. Now find in the gain percentage formula, gain by CP into 100. Gain equal to how much rupees there? 40 rupees. Gain is what is that given? 40 rupees. Divided by cost price equal to 160 into 100. 0, 0. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 is 4. 25 4s are 100. 25%. Now option C is correct. 25%. By selling a flower pot for 528 rupees, a woman gains 20%. At what price should she sell it to gain 25%? Which rupees she sold, get it the gain percentage is 25%, find that. So amount want to find 500, 550, 553 or 573. SP equal to what is the given question from 528. Gain percentage is 28%. CP find formula, CP into 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. SP value equal to 528 is equal to CP into 100 plus 20 divided by 100. 100 plus 20 equal to 120 divided by 100. Now this 100 you write in up. 528 into 100. This divided, write it down. Into change into the division for this fraction you write in the reciprocal. 528 into 100 divided by 120 equal to CP. 0 0 cancel first. 112 is 12. 4 12s are 48. Remaining 4. 4 12s are 48. 44 into 10 equal to 440 rupees. This is the CP. Gain percentage, selling price. SP equal to, gain percentages that are given in 25%. She now got it, the gain percentage is how much percentage there? 25%. What is the selling price? SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. CP value equal to 440 into 100 plus gain 25 divided by 100. 125 divided by 100, 0 cancel first. Next 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining to 5 5s are 25. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 22 into 25 equal to 550 rupees. Now how much rupees for sell that flat part? 550 rupees for she got it 25% of the gain. Now option B is the correct, 550. Next 13th question. A man buys an article for 150 rupees and makes overhead expenses which are 12% of the cost price. At what price must he sell it to gain 5%? Option 180 rupees, 168 rupees, 176.40 rupees, 88.20, 20 paise, 88 rupees and 20 paise. Now CP equal to what is that given? 150. Cost price of an article equal to 150. Overhead expenses is 12%. Now 12% of cost price. 12% of cost price. 12% how to the write? This is the 12%. 12 by 100 of symbol is into cost price equal to 150. 0 you strike code. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 rupees. Now 150 plus 18 equal to 168 rupees. Now overhead expenses amount equal to 168 rupees. Gain percentage equal to, this is the cost price. Overhead expenses is the cost price. This is the cost price. SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. 168 into 100 plus 5, 105 by 100. Now this number you division for 105 divided by 100. How do they write? First you write in 105. 0. How many 0 is there? Have 2 0. 1 2 keep the point. So 1.05 is come the answer. So these two number multiply and get the answer equal to 176 rupees and 40 paise. So this is the answer, 176 rupees and 45 paise is the answer. 14th question, what is the market price of a hat which is bought for 210 rupees at 16% discount? Option 243, 176, 230 rupees, 250 rupees. What is the discounted price there? 210 rupees. Discount is 16%. So discounted price formula equal to MP market price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Discounted price is 210 equal to MP into 100 minus 16 by 100. 100 minus 16 equal to 84. These two number write in the reciprocal here. 84 by 100 you write in 100 by 84. So 210 into 100 by 84. This all the one cancel and get it the answer equal to 250 rupees. Now market price of the hat equal to 250 rupees. D is the option. 15th question. The single discount which is equivalent to two successive discount. First one is 20% and 25% is dash. 40%, 45%, 5%, 22.5% is option. See there, discount price equal to market price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100. Market price is dono into 100 minus 20 equal to first option is 20%. 100 minus 20 divided by 100 equal to 80 by 100. Now discounted price equal to discount price into 100 minus D2 percentage. Discount percentage divided by 100. Second option. So 100 minus 25 equal to 100. Now market price into Here you write in marked price into discount price. First one is how much there? 80 by 100 into 100 minus second benefit is 25%. 100 minus 25 equal to 75 by 100. Now this number, see this number, MP into 80 by 100 into 75 by 100. Cancel the number. 0, 0 first you cancel. Fifth table second cut. 1 5 is 5. Remaining 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 20. MP into these two number multiple 60 by 100. Which number 100 to minus you get it the 60. So 100 minus 40 equal to 60 is the answer. Now which option, which percentage is possible there? 40 only possible there. So given the option from which option is correct option there? 40% is correct there.